Hello everybody and welcome to this new episode of Sunday Cooking Class.
This is Ainhoa.
And this is Fran. Welcome home everybody.
Welcome to Traveling the Steps.
So today we're gonna do, a lot of people call this tapenade.
Yeah, because it's a French thing.
It's a French thing, but to me it's not a tapenade. It's just olive spread, but it's much richer than just olives.
I would say it's the olive pate.
Pate.
It's a spread with things, typical things from the Mediterranean.
There we go. I would say it's a Mediterranean spread.
Yeah.
That sounds much better than a tapenade. Mediterranean. Damn, that's not a good girl. So good morning or good afternoon, everyone. Shall we?
Let's go.
Let's go. You will see that this one is also very, very complicated. You know how much we like to make easy food, easy cooking. So you just need to have all the goodies prepared and you do it just like that. Okay, let me turn the camera around. And today what we have is a very summery peanuts. He's here covered by the beautiful tulips. I love peanuts. You know that we love peanuts in this house. Okay, so here we go. This is all, take a look at all of that. That's a very
That's
rich
a lot.
Mediterranean. So you need green olives, black olives. You need some capers. This is a purple onion. This one is the one that we have pickled already. Okay, we pickle that. Then you have some sun-dried tomatoes, rehydrated, olive oil, garlic. And then the twist, I think, is here. You put Parmesan cheese and you put roasted almonds. Here, we just bought normal almonds and we roast them. Well, we have just roast them. Okay, so that's what we're gonna need to do. And I think the texture of this is very important.
Okay, so I don't know if you have one of the things at home, but you need one.
Well, if you don't, this is just to chop everything. If you don't have one of these, it's fine. You don't need it because you can do it by hand, which is way too much work.
Yes.
So that's why we have this thingy that you just, well, you're gonna see it, how it works.
Okay, so it doesn't even need electricity.
Yeah. So it doesn't need, it should not be powdered, okay?
No,
It has to be
no.
chunky. You want the chunks. That's why I said that it's, everything about this thing is the texture, okay? You need to have a very interesting texture in this dish. Recipe. You know, I love how your ring matches your shirt and the olives.
Yeah.
Is that a kiwi, by the way?
I think so. Well, yeah, we have to ask your mother because she gave it to me.
Okay.
I like it. It's very cute.
You work out a little bit when you do this.
Okay, chunks.
Okay, hold it. Use it. Chunks. Some are very chopped, some are not very chopped. We don't care. That's what you're looking for. It's a spread that you need chunks.
It's a chunky spread.
It's a chunky spread. It's not a smooth, creamy thing.
Well, not for us. It depends. I think for some people, tapenade is, the Mediterranean spread, you said?
Yeah.
Is some kind of paste, but not for me.
This one I love because I love texture. I love food that has different textures and everything. So,
Okay,
shall we?
let's go. Great.
Okay, there we go. It goes
Green olive.
in again. Green
Black
olives,
olives.
black olives, almonds, roasted almonds. Everything goes
These
together.
are normal Spanish black olives, but you can use Greek olives. You can use, these kind of olives, black olives that look very old and they
Very dry.
very dry.
By the way, Spain is the it's the largest producer of olives in the world. Okay, we're the number ones producing olives. So that's why we're having in Spain so much olive oil. Everything is prepared with oil, and olives. It's such an obsession in our cuisine. Okay, I think you can put that too.
I'm going to add this.
Yeah.
These are the tomatoes.
Mm-hmm.
Tomatoes, whatever. That we already preserved, so they are dehydrated and rehydrated, and then preserved in olive oil with capers and anchovies.
By the way, you also have the recipe of those tomatoes. As you can see, all of those recipes that we say, oh, we use them for so many things, we use them for many, many things.
So they are kept in the fridge the whole summer. Well, and of course remade.
Yeah, non-stop.
Even our kids have it in their own fridges.
Yeah, this time, when are you going to do tomatoes? Okay, we'll do them. Don't worry.
Okay. So.
Okay, so this one is a little bit messy, okay, because it's the one with the tomatoes, with the olive oil of the tomatoes and everything, but everything goes into here. No, you put...
Okay, because I want all the flavor. And this, the olive and the oil, then the oil is like the way to get the flavor out of things. So,
now,
right. So
garlic comes on the way.
Garlic and the super garlic presser.
There we go.
The love of my life.
Yes, so you don't have to chop it.
No, because I love cooking, but I don't like the smell in my fingers. But for me, the smell of garlic is like homey smell.
Yeah. In Spain, we cook so much with garlic, which is very healthy, by the way.
Yeah, Chinese also cook a lot with garlic.
Yeah, and it's the healthiest people. Yeah, Japanese and the Spanish people were the healthiest, and in Japan they also eat a lot of garlic. Others, when they come here to Spain, oh my God, they eat. They always ask in restaurants for garlic cloves. This is when I guide Japanese people. Okay, now the Italian touch of it, the Parmesan cheese.
You can put any dry cheese that you can make powder. And then the olive oil, this is like a bit more than a quarter of a cup.
Yeah.
Right? Right. Okay, now I'm going to make noise. Okay.
Okay, so now for the texture that I was telling you, you want to have it a little bit. Okay.
I'm not trying to mix it up, huh?
No, so you don't want to make a puree. You don't want to make a very fine thing.
All right.
Okay.
I
Take a
think
look
this
at that.
will do it, right? So you're going to mix it for a second.
So now you mix everything. So this is very good right now because it has all the flavors, but from tomorrow on, it's even better. Okay, so it needs to settle down. It needs to combine all the flavors. So it's one of the things that you can do. Put it in the fridge, and that's it.
And I leave it like this, right? But it's up to you. If you want to make a pate of it, a paste,
very, very thin.
It's up to you, but it's something I'm not very keen on. Right, let me leave this all alone.
But we'll do it later.
Yeah, we'll do it later. Sorry. Okay, so I need a spoon.
Okay.
Right, yeah, okay. So, important thing, you put it in...
Let me hold this for you.
Yeah, please hold it for me. You put it in a nice jar.
Easy to reach bowl. So you need a bowl that has a big mouth. Is that how you call it?
I don't know if you call it mouth. In Spanish it's called bocal.
Mouth. That's why I said mouth. Whoops.
Right. Is it good?
Por favor, qué bueno. My God.
All right, so you press it a little bit. And then one important thing. This is why I'm doing it in front of you.
It's important to top it with a little bit of extra
olive oil.
because the olive oil will help it preserve. Right? So what you do is you put like a layer of it, of olive oil, so it goes and it protects the tapenade of this. And it's perfect on a toast by itself. I mean, we love it also with cream cheese. If you put some cream cheese at the bottom of
cream
it.
cheese, you can put like tomato. Right, okay.
So can you prepare one for me, please?
I can.
Right. Oh my God, so good. The thing is that also, I love it with fish.
Yeah, you can put
some white
anchovies
fish.
here.
No, some white fish, some like hake or, some of these very plain flavored type of fishes. It goes very well. Okay.
Let me make it pretty.
A little bit of olive oil on top of it, so it makes it nice and shiny. And that's it.
That's it.
Beautiful, easy.
Easy. Always.
As I said, easy food. It's food that is fast food, healthy.
One of these days we will break our own record and then have it have a.
We're gonna do a cooking class in 1 minute.
1 minute.
No. No, but it's. I mean, the thing. In the winter we do spend more time. I mean, maybe it's because the lights, because you cannot go outside. But now here in the summer, it's like you don't want to spend time cooking.
No.
You don't want heat. You just want to do.
It's in the fridge and it's fine.
Yeah, and this is type of food that here in Spain we do a lot of tapas. I don't want to say this is a tapa, but this is perfect for mid-morning.
Yeah.
You need fast grab, something fast and go. This is the perfect thing. Just love it.
It's not going to last a lot.
This is not going to last, not with the kids.
Okay, see you next Sunday.
Everybody, thank you so much for joining in. Please remember to join our newsletter. I think we have solved the problems we were having with the newsletter, that people were not receiving it. I think now everybody's getting our newsletter. So thank you so much. We shall see you next week. Love you.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Have a great week.